nice experience, and obviously with the technology nowadays, with the tools nowadays in terms of simulation is very, very important, and many things you can simulate before you actually plan ahead and actually produce parts and so on. So I'm used to different kind of simulators than this, but it's nice.
It's very excited also for us to give him some insights into our daily business.
It was very special. I've explained what's augmented reality about and how we use it for manufacturing insurance.
The digital transformation is the new way for our plannings and also, I guess, also for the Formula 1 teams. Well, it's cool for our team spirit. Yeah.